Lebanon is a land rich with history and mystery. Hidden beneath its landscapes lies ancient secrets. The Jida Grotto is a stunning underground cave. Its crystallized formations create an eerie atmosphere. Badera Gorge waterfall plunges into a dark chasm. This gorge hints at ancient geological formations. Tyre's ancient ruins whisper of Phoenician times. Silent stones tell tales of maritime prowess. Baruch boasts Lebanon's legendary cedar trees. These trees hold hints from past civilizations. Kadisha Valley shelters monastic hideaways. In its depths, mystics sought spiritual retreat. Lebanese myths weave tales of supernatural beings. These cultural stories enrich Lebanon's mystique. Its mysteries span from sea to soaring mountains. Lebanon remains enigmatic, drawing curious souls.